Students, today we are going to deal with how to find the product of two trinomial expressions. But before that, let's see what are trinomial expressions. An algebraic expression containing three terms is known as trinomials. Its example can be 3a plus 2b minus c, xy plus x square y plus xy square, etc. In these examples, we can see that there are three terms and they are connected by plus or minus sign. Let's see, I had taken example, find the product of these two trinomial expressions. So our first expression is 2a square plus 4b square minus 3ab and 3ab minus 5a square plus 4b square. In both these expressions we can see that the terms are not arranged according to the ascending or descending powers of a particular letter. So we have to first arrange the given expression in the ascending or descending power of some common letter. We do so that after performing the multiplication we can easily collect the like terms. This is our first trinomial expression in which you can see that there are two letters A and B. We can arrange this whole expression in the ascending or descending power of either A or B. I am arranging this expression in the descending power of A. So it will be first 2a square, then minus 3ab and then 4b square. We can see that here the power of a is 2, here the power of a is 1, here the power of a is 0. So we have arranged this whole expression in the descending power of a. Okay. Now similarly we can arrange this expression in the descending power of any common letter A or B. We will take A. Okay. So it will be minus 5a square, then plus 3ab plus 4b square. Now we have to perform the multiplication between these two trinomial expressions. We will start our multiplication from this term, okay, from the left bottom term. First we will multiply minus 5a square with this, then after this, and then after this. Okay, so we have to start from the left bottom term and then we have to multiply it with all the terms of first trinomial. Okay, so minus 5a square into 2a square, it is minus 10a raised to the power 4. Here minus 5a square into minus 3ab, it will give us 5 to the minus 5 and minus 3, it is 15a cube b. Okay, minus 5a square into 4b square, it is minus 20a square b square. Then we will take this term, multiply this with this, this and this, then 2a square into 3ab, it is 6a cube b, and we will write this under a cube b term so that like terms can be in the same column. Then 3ab into minus 3ab, it is minus 9a square b. Again we have to write it under the a square b square term so that the like terms can be in the same column. 3ab into 4b square, it is 4 3 12 a b cube. Now we will take this term, multiply this with this, this and with this, then it will be 2a square into 4b square is equal to 8a square b square, and 4b square into minus 3ab, it will give us minus 12ab cube, and 4b square into 4b square, it is 16b raised to the power 4. Now adding here, minus 10 a raised to the power 4, 15 a cube b plus 6 a cube b is equal to 21 a cube b. Here we will get, after adding, minus 21 a square b square, it will get cancel out, and here 16 b raised to the power 4. So it is our product. Now students, let's take one more question in which we have to multiply a trinomial expression by a binomial expression. Okay, so we can either use column method of multiplication or row method of multiplication. Okay, here I am explaining the column method of multiplication. Okay, so first of all we have to write a minus b plus 3c is multiplied with a plus 2b. Okay, we know that our multiplication starts from the left bottom term, that is from here. Okay, so first we will multiply this a with all the terms of given trinomial. A into a square, a into minus b, it is minus ab, a into 3c, it is 3ac. Okay, now we will take this term and multiply it with all the terms of trinomial expression. So 2b into a is equal to 2ab. We will write this under ab term so that like terms can be arranged in the same column. 2b into minus b, that is minus 2b square. We can see that there is no any b square term, so we will write it in a separate column, minus 2b square. Again 2b into 3c, it will give us 6bc. There is no any bc terms above, so again we will write it in the separate column, 6bc. Okay, now we will add here a square, here minus ab plus 2ab is ab, here 3ac and minus 2b square plus 6bc. So it is our final product.